Good evening. A grieving mother is trying to change the system. She's suing the federal government over the wrongful death of her son. The lawsuit alleges the Correctional Service of Canada placed her medically vulnerable son in a cell within reach of a violent inmate. CTV's Rachelle Elsiufi has the story.
Christopher Van Camp was killed inside the Saskatchewan Penitentiary on June 7th. Fellow inmate Tyler Vandewater is facing a second-degree murder charge, but it could have been prevented, says Van Camp's mother.
I blame the system for this, and I don't want my son to have died in vain, and I don't want other mothers to go through what I'm going through.
She's now taking legal action against Correctional Service Canada and the Federal Attorney General. She's calling for improvements to the system she says led to her son's death.
I want the federal government to acknowledge. I want accountability. And most of all, I want change.
Laithwaite says days before her son was imprisoned, he was in a coma after suffering a drug overdose. 2 days after he woke, he was taken to the Bowden Institution and later to the SAS pen.
He didn't even know why he was there. You know, he didn't understand how he had overdosed. He was so sick.
The lawsuit is seeking an unspecified amount in constitutional, aggravated, and punitive damages. The lawsuit says Corrections Services Canada failed to meet the required standard of care for Van Camp and are thus liable in negligence for his death while in custody. It also alleges CSC committed battery by rearresting him while in a vulnerable condition and placing him at the mercy of an inmate who eventually killed him. The lawsuit also addresses the drug problem at the SAS pen. The suit reads the CSC failed to diligently police the prison's internal drug economy that allowed Van Camp to continue using drugs while incarcerated.
They know that there's drugs in there. My son had been caught with drugs in there.
The suit was filed Monday. A spokesperson for the CSC says they are currently reviewing the statement of claim. Laithwaite says she's fighting for her family and the other inmates out there. Rachelle Elsiufi, CTV News, Prince Albert.